Hey y'all, I'm Net Michelle. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new piece that I just picked up from Louis Vuitton, so stay tuned. I haven't had my eyes on anything from Louis Vuitton recently, but I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw this and I was just like, OMG, I have to have it. And it's affordable for Louis Vuitton, so I was like, yes, let me snag it up. So I ordered this bag online on December 20th, and I guess because it's on high demand right now, it wasn't available to pick up until January 3rd. So, but I'm happy to have it, and I'm happy that I was still able to get the holiday bag as well, because I really love their bags and their boxes this year. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a box, so I just got the regular Louis Vuitton box. So I got the Kirigami Organizer. I love this, and I feel like this is like the perfect size clutch to have. Thing I have that is the monogram canvas is the key pouch. My mini pochette and my Alma BB is in Damier Bean, so I was happy to add a monogram canvas piece to my collection. So yes, this is so cute. The dimensions are 9.1 by 4.3 by 0.8 inches. When you open it up, I got the pink interior. Pink is my favorite color, so I had to grab the pink. It's with a card holder that has 6 slots, and also it has this opening here where you can put money. And it comes with this as well, a zipper pouch. So I feel like this was a really good deal. Look at the space. You have so much space in here, and I'm gonna do what fits in here. Let me grab a few things and see what all will fit. This Aquaphor. This is like a small hand sanitizer. A hand cream, gum, tissue, key pouch. So actually all of my necessities fit in here. Let me see how it closes. Now, I don't know why I take a little elbow grease to close this now. Let me see. Okay, it is hard to close for some reason, but all this fits in here and I still have plenty of room to add more things. Now let me add the thing that came with it. Let me add this card thing. Let me slide that in here. Okay, so with the card thing in here, it does make it a little bit tighter, but everything still fits in here. So I have to maneuver the gun. I may have to carry this. Okay, so that fits perfectly. And I'm gonna take all of this out. Now, I believe my mini pochette can actually fit in here. So I'm gonna throw a few things in my mini pochette and throw this in here, because this is kind of like my little catch-all. So sanitizer, gum, tissue. So I have my mini pochette filled with a few of the things that I just put in the purse. So mini pochette, and I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna drop this right in there, and it fits perfectly. This is perfect. So if you're changing out your bags a lot, and you have like small SLGs, you can easily throw that in here and it fits perfectly. I wonder, okay, if I put my card thing in here, let's see if the mini pochette will still fit. Now something about this card slot makes it tight. So I wouldn't be able to have the card slot and the mini pochette in here. Let's see about this one. I don't think I will with this either. Let's see. Okay, so I can actually have this in here, but I couldn't put that much in here. So I don't even know what I really put in here, honestly. But this fits, and it closes perfectly fine. It's a little tight, it's a little snug, but Yes. So this one, I looked up and I got a made in France. I love that for me. Okay, so this can be used separately. You can just put like, you know, your little hand sanitizer, lip gloss, and a card or something, and you can use this as a separate SLG. I love this. I mean, you practically get 3 SLGs in one, so still of a deal, still of a deal. I freaking love it. And then with all of that included, the SLGs, I actually put cards in here just to see. And yeah, so this is how to use it, to use everything that came with it, and I love it. So for quality, I would say the quality is pretty good. I didn't have any issues with quality on this piece. I have dealt with quality issues in the past, but this one is stitched perfectly well. And it looks great. I just love it. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. I was also able to buy a purse insert as well. I got it from Green Tag Inserts. They have really great customer service, so I definitely recommend shopping with them. But I got the insert from them and I just ordered a chain off Amazon, so I can wear this as a crossbody as well if I don't want to just carry it as a clutch. So this is the insert I got. I haven't even put it in here yet, so let me see if it fits. Okay, so it fits perfectly. What I really love about the insert, a lot of inserts, it doesn't have like this extension tag, so it'll actually extend outside of the bag to where it won't actually damage the canvas or leather, depending on what type of bag that you have. I love that about that. That made me really want to get this because most inserts don't have that. They actually just have like a thing that's attached on the insert, and it can damage your bags over time. I got a silver chain because it has silver hardware on it. I'll probably switch it out with a gold chain as well, but okay. I love where it falls on me. It looks so good. Yes, it's giving. Okay, so let me actually put a few things with the insert in to see how much I can get in here with the insert. Let's see if the actual mini pochette will fit with the insert. It does. I really recommend the insert because now you have a crossbody bag and it's giving. Like so, you can always put like a little short chain on. It'll definitely look really nice with a gold chain as well. So yes, I'm so excited about having this in my collection. And I just love the length because it is a little bit longer than the Felici, so you can definitely put more in here. Let me grab my phone. I know my phone can fit in here too. I got an older iPhone. I got the iPhone 12 Pro. So, but phone fits perfectly. Let's see if the phone and the mini pochette. I'm probably pushing it. Definitely pushing it. So your phone can fit in here, and you know, probably just a few little things, lip gloss, hand sanitizer, you know, the necessities. Super thrilled about having this in my collection. Have you all seen this? And if so, like, what are your thoughts about it? Do you plan on buying it as well? I definitely say if you're looking for, you know, just an SLG that you can actually fit a lot in here, and it's super stylish, and you can turn it into a crossbody, definitely recommend getting the Kirigami Organizer. It's perfect for that. Let's chat down in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. Bye.